Hi, I Evelyn extend a hearty welcome to you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Pan Vision. First, the news headline from Dubai. Mangalorean girl in Dubai, Rianne Rodriguez enters Femina Miss India beauty pageant. News headline from Mumbai. Celebrity couple Aishwarya and Abhishek dazzle at Chinnarabimba Makkalotsava 2007. News headlines from Mangalore. State level festival Pre-Unique 2007 inaugurated at Aloysius College. Den salvage operations begin. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from Mansaban, dance from Konkan Showers, and a melodious song from Zina Pereira from Konkan Ball held at Town Hall. News in detail. Mangalorean women are considered beautiful and have always made waves at various beauty contests. Aishwarya Rai is perhaps the best example for this. And one pretty Mangalorean girl has made news in Dubai now. She has made Mangaloreans proud by entering one of the biggest beauty contests of India, Femina Miss India Beauty Pageant. 22-year-old Mangalorean girl Rianne Rodriguez, who is living in Dubai, has made an entry into the Miss India Beauty Contest. Rianne is among the 3 gorgeous girls from Dubai who are out to make history as the first official entry of Dubai to India's biggest beauty pageant, Femina Miss India, scheduled to be held in April 2008. Dubai-based Emirates Vision, in association with India Times, handlers of FMI, recently held auditions to select 2 Indian girls living in the UAE for a direct entry to the main contest in India. So impressed were the judges by the quality of the participants that they decided to pick 4 contestants instead, 3 from Dubai and 1 from Muscat. Rianne, along with other 2 girls, will receive 10 to 15-day-long training session in December in the run-up to the regional round scheduled to take place in the first week of February 2008 in Mumbai. Rianne is living in Dubai with her parents, Remy and Annabelle Rodriguez of Urwa, Mangalore. Rianne has participated in beauty contests like Teen Queen Middle East and Miss India UAE. That's indeed a great beginning, Rianne. We all Mangaloreans wish you all the best. Well, Mangaloreans in Mumbai had an occasion to spend an evening with former Miss World and daughter-in-law of Bachchan's, Aishwarya Rai. Former Miss World and Mangalore's pride, Aishwarya Rai, often touted as one of the most beautiful women in the world, made her presence felt along with her husband Abhishek Bachchan at the children's festival Chinnarabimba Makkalotsava 2007 held at Matunga in Mumbai. Kala Jagattu Chinnarabimba, a social cultural organization devoted to the upbringing of children on the finer inputs from arts, music, literature, theatre and Vedic and traditional customs and values, organized Children's Festival 2007 at Shanmukhananda Auditorium at Matunga East on Wednesday, November 14th. Maharashtra Governor and former Chief Minister of Karnataka, S.M. Krishna, inaugurated the grand function. Moodabidre MLA K. Abhayachandra Jain presided over the program. Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala Dharmadhikari Dr. D. Virendra Hegde graced the occasion. Bollywood celebrity couple Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan were the star attraction of the event. Manmohan Shetty, CEO of AdLabs, popular music director of Kannada cinema Guru Kiran, former Minister of Karnataka D.K. Shivakumar, Abu Dhabi Kannada Sangha President Sarvottam Shetty were the guests. Along with studies, colleges threw up opportunities for their students to take part in the extracurricular activities. Come year end, colleges buzz with cultural fests. St. Aloysius Pre-University College, one of the premier educational institutions in Mangalore, has organized 2-day state-level inter-pre-university intellectual and cultural fest Pre-Unique 2007, which was inaugurated on Friday, November 16th.
It was festive mood at St. Aloysius Pre-University College as students from different colleges gathered at the college campus to participate in the state-level intellectual and cultural fest Pre-Unique 2007. Inaugurating the fest, Mangalore University Mathematics Department Chairman Dr. S. Parameshwar Bhatt said that the human being should not depend too much on the computers.
Advancements in computer and information technology have made such achievements possible. However, not all informations available through internet are good for students. Real education should help to bring out the best in each of you. It must help the students to differentiate between what is right and what is wrong, and what is good and what is bad. A computer can store a lot of information. We don't call a computer as an expert because the computer cannot think.
St. Aloysius Institution's rector, Father Francis Serravo, who presided over the function, spoke on the achievements of the institution.
I think basically St. Aloysius College stands for the integral education which considers the three major aspects of one's life: information, formation, and transformation. It gives the best of information. It informs the minds of students, and that is its task. But it is not merely interested or satisfied with merely informing the minds. We are engaged here on building up persons who are morally strong, ethically upright, physically fit, aesthetically accomplished.
John De Silva, principal of St. Aloysius Pre-University College, Father Michael John, administrator of the college, conveners of the fest Shyam Prasad, Grushin D'Souza and Annie Joseph, Dean Navin Dias, and Student Council Joint Secretary Suraj Shetty, Student Council President Jake Rego were also present on the days. About 600 students from 19 pre-university colleges from different parts of the state are participating in the fest. As the part of the fest, science exhibition has also been conducted at the college campus. Speaking to TV Daijiworld, John De Silva, the principal of St. Aloysius College, said that the college is promoting the intellectual brains along with the regular studies too.
We want to promote not only the intellectual capacity of a student, even what he can do outside the classroom. That is the main purpose. Normally, students think St. Aloysius means what is classroom teaching. It is not that. It is to take the total ability of a student in all the dimensions, whether it is curricular or co-curricular or extracurricular. All the dimensions are there in the college. Therefore, we want to promote that.
Well, students will surely have lots of fun at Pre-Unique. With this, we will take a break here. When we come back, we have a short story on salvage operations on Den Den that has begun at Tannir Bawi Shores. So stay tuned.
Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು, ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು. ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರವು ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Welcome back after the break. Remember Den Den? Yes, the same Eritrean cargo ship that sank off the Tannir Bawi coast is in the news again. The special salvage team has started salvage operations on Den Den by emptying the oil tank on the ship. Salvage work on the sunken ship Den Den at Tannir Bawi has begun. On Thursday, November 15th, Alham, the offshore supply vessel from UAE, arrived at the Tannir Bavi beach. The offshore supply vessel berthed alongside Den Den, which sank on June 23rd, that claimed the lives of 3 sailors. The vessel has been brought all the way from UAE to retrieve the furnace oil and fuel from Den Den. On Thursday, November 15th, the vessel carrying drilling and diving equipments carried out the dummy drilling operation. This was done to get a clear idea as to how the actual task of drilling could be taken up on the sunken ship. Earlier, the fishermen and the environmentalists had expressed their concern over the impact of the possible oil spillage on the marine life during the salvage operation. The Eritrean ship had 153 tons of furnace oil and high-speed diesel when it sank. And if the oil and diesel get mixed into the sea water, it would create havoc for the marine life. On Monday, November 5th, the salvage team, Switzer from Netherlands, arrived to carry out a survey of the ship prior to the commencement of salvage work. The salvage team, Switzer, has taken all precautions to prevent oil spilling during the process of retrieving the oil from the ship that sank 5 months back. The New Bangalore Port Trust officials are monitoring the salvage operations. It seems the fishermen and environmentalists can heave a sigh of relief only after the salvage operation concludes. Anyway, it is time for us to take another break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment program. So don't go away, I will be right back.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ಅಪೂರ್ವಜ್ಗರ ಭಾರಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಜಾನಸ್. I am one of the happiest person in Apurva family.
Apurva builds homes, not houses. Home is a place where you will get happiness.
ಅಪೂರ್ವ ವೀಡು நல்ல ಸೌಕರ್ಯಂ நல்ல ವೀಡು.
ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಉಂಡು. ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ತು ಐತ ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕ್ 100% ಭರವಸೆ ಉಂಟು.